Imagine checking into a luxury hotel and watching the person in front of you get turned away from the VIP line. They have stayed at that hotel chain for 10 nights this year, spent thousands of dollars, and think they are a valued customer. Then you step up. You have never stayed at this property in your life. You haven't spent a single dime on their brand before today. Yet the receptionist smiles, hands you a key to an upgraded suite with an ocean view, and tells you that your breakfast is free. The person who paid thousands at a standard room, you paid nothing extra and got the royal treatment. This isn't luck. It is the result of exposing one of the travel industry's biggest lies, the idea that loyalty must be earned the hard way. Most people believe that to reach the top tier of a hotel loyalty program, to become a diamond, platinum, or globalist member, you have to suffer. The rule book says you need to sleep in their beds for 60 nights a year. You need to essentially live out of a suitcase, sacrificing your home life and your wallet to prove your devotion to a corporate logo. They gamify this struggle, making you chase elite nights like a hamster on a wheel. But what they don't tell you is that the loyalty they value so much is actually a commodity that can be traded, leveraged, and sometimes completely fabricated. The secret mechanism that disrupts this entire system is something called a status match. To understand why this exists, you have to stop thinking like a guest and start thinking like a corporate raider. Hotel chains are in a constant war for high-value customers. If you are a top-tier member with a competitor, you are a whale they want to poach. They know that if you have status elsewhere, you are likely a big spender. So, instead of making you start from zero, they will offer to match your status instantly just to get you to switch teams. It is a bribe. They are giving you the keys to the kingdom, hoping you will bring your wallet with you. The brilliance of this strategy lies in how you acquire that first seed status. In the old days, you actually had to be a frequent traveler to have a card worth matching. Today, the financial system has created a shortcut. Certain premium credit cards grant you instant elite status just for paying an annual fee. You don't need to stay 60 nights, you just need to hold the right piece of plastic. This credit card becomes your golden ticket. You take this unearned status, show it to a competing hotel chain, and essentially say, "Look how important I am." And because their algorithms are designed to acquire customers, they believe you. Once you realize that status is portable, the game changes completely. You can take a mid-tier status from a hotel chain you barely use and leverage it into top-tier status at a casino resort. Then you can take that casino status and match it back to a cruise line for a free voyage. It creates a domino effect of benefits. Suddenly, you are exempt from those annoying resort fees that plague Las Vegas. You are skipping the taxi lines. You are getting late checkouts that let you sleep until 4 p.m. These are perks that other people are literally paying hundreds of dollars per trip to access, and you are getting them by simply flashing a digital card on your phone. But the rabbit hole goes much deeper than a simple one-time trade. This is where we reach the most fascinating loophole in the entire travel hacking world, a phenomenon known as the status match merry-go-round. This is the revelation that turns a simple trick into a lifetime of luxury. You see, most status matches have an expiration date. They give you the status for a year, hoping you will earn it back the hard way. But smart travelers found a flaw in the ecosystem. There is a specific circular relationship between certain hotel chains and casino rewards programs where the status years end in different months. Because these partnerships are reciprocal, you can match your hotel status to the casino in January. Then, when your hotel status expires in February, you use your valid casino status to match back to the hotel. It is an infinite loop of validation. The hotel thinks the casino vetted you. The casino thinks the hotel vetted you. In reality, nobody vetted you. You are simply bouncing the reflection of your status back and forth between two mirrors, creating an illusion of infinite value. You could theoretically maintain top-tier status for a decade without ever meeting the actual stay requirements for either program. This exposes the fragility of the entire loyalty industry. The hotels and casinos are banking on human laziness. They assume you will get the status, feel special, and then lazily spend your money at their properties because you feel locked in. They don't account for the player who takes a status, enjoys the free suite upgrades and the complimentary dinners, and then moves on to the next match without spending a cent more than necessary. You become a ghost in their machine, a customer who looks like a whale on paper but operates with the efficiency of a budget traveler. The beauty of this system is that it democratizes luxury, but only for those willing to learn the rules. The person paying full price for a standard room isn't just paying for a bed, they are paying the ignorance tax of not knowing how the game is played. Meanwhile, the person in the suite next door, the one paying less, understood that in the modern travel economy, perception is reality. If the computer says you are a VIP, you are a VIP, regardless of how you got there. So the next time you walk past a long line at a hotel check-in and see the elite priority lane empty, ask yourself a serious question. Are you standing in the back of the line because you haven't traveled enough, or are you standing there because you haven't leveraged what you already have? Are you going to continue earning your loyalty the hard way, or are you ready to step onto the merry-go-round?